famous Diamond 9 trademark formation. The jets are slowing down to about 150 miles an hour now at the top of this loop, reaching a height of 6,000 feet. At this slow speed, the controls become less responsive, so the pilots work very hard to maintain that Diamond 9 formation. Red 1 is squadron leader Jim Turner. It's his second year leading the team, where he was a wingman with the Red Arrows from 2005 to 2007 and ended up leading the synchro pair. He's a former Jaguar weapons instructor and Jaguar display pilot. Smoke comes on as Reds 2 and 3 acknowledge the move to Eagle to show us the platform of the American fighter jet, the F-15 Eagle. We put this in the display this year to pass thanks to our American colleagues who showed us support during the Battle of Britain. On the Eagle. And now, boys and girls, as the canopies come towards us, they'll see you waving arms in the air. We fly the majority of our formations with the odd-numbered pilots on the left-hand side. The even-numbered pilots fly on the right-hand side. Red 6 and 7, the synchro pair, test to fly directly. Hopefully, a big round of applause as they show you Concorde. This year is the 70th anniversary of Operation Chastise, which was the famous Dam Busters raid carried out by 617 Squadron on the night of the 16th of May 1943. Those brave aircrew flew their 19 Lancaster bombers deep into enemy territory to drop their bouncing bombs and complete their mission. 617 Squadron still fly today with the Tornado GR4, and it's just been announced that 617 Squadron will be the first unit to operate the Air Force's new Joint Strike Fighter. But now in from the left-hand side to commemorate 70 years since the Dam Busters, this is Lancaster. One of our pilots has completed the tour with the famous Dam Busters Squadron. Red 3, Flight Lieutenant Mark Lawson, is on the leader's left wing now, and he's in his first. Smoke's back on now to form another shape. This time it's our tightest shape. The jets in this formation are around 5 to 6 feet apart. Coming in from the right-hand side, this is the Apollo roll. Climbing up to 2,500 feet. Another big wave, boys and girls. On the leader's right wing now is another of our first-year pilots. That's Red 2, Flight Lieutenant Ollie Parr. Ollie is in and has spent a tour as a Hawk flying instructor at RAF Valley, where we train our advanced fast jet students. Smoke's back on now to form another shape, this time Typhoon, aimed to depict the delta wing platform of the Royal Air Force's new multi-role combat aircraft, the Eurofighter Typhoon. You're about to see the display later on, but we have 4 frontline squadrons of Typhoons, whose primary duty it is to protect the airspace of the UK and the Falkland Islands. In from the left-hand side now, 400 miles an hour, about to pull up at 4G. This is the Typhoon Loop. Pilots is a former Typhoon pilot. Red 9, Flight Lieutenant Mike Child, is moving to the far side of the formation as we look at it now, and he's in his second year with the team. He's another former Hawk flying instructor and Hawk display pilot. He then transferred to the Typhoon, where he flew on quick reaction alert duties in UK and the Falkland Islands. Accelerating now back to 400 miles an hour. The G builds up to 4G in a shape called Signet. In the middle of the left-hand wing as we look tail on is the last of our first-year pilots. He's read by Flight Lieutenant Steve Morris. Steve is a native size for Big Vixen, named after the 1960s naval fighter, the Sea Vixen. And for the last roll of the first half of the display, this is the Big Vixen roll. That is the end of the first half of the Red Arrows display, where you've seen all 9 aircraft flying in close formation, giving us some very graceful aerobatic manoeuvres in different shapes. We're now going to change the tempo as we show you how the Hawk aircraft can perform. We're flying Enid Blyton's famous 5, the back 4, Jippo, red 6 to 9, named after the first gentleman to lead the 4-ship when the Red Arrows first started flying their 9 ships in 1968. But now, a new manoeuvre for 2013. It's directly to the front. Get your cameras ready to start the second half of the display. This shape is called Feathered Arrow. It's a bit of a mouthful to say on the radio, so we shorten it to Fred. And now, reaching 6,000 feet, Enid go right and Jippo go left. This is the 5-4 split. Section on the Lancaster we showed you in the first half. I'm going to talk a little bit more about 617 Squadron now, which was formed in only March 1943, just 2 months. Stop it! Stop it! Jippo pass.
Oh, the Jippo pass. Look. I was going to come at you, check it out.
Synchro pair slingshot out to our front. We need to look left for Enid. Red 1 now twist this loop through 90 degrees towards us in what's known as a quarter clover. And now get your cameras ready for the good bit, ladies and gentlemen. This is the vertical brake. Red 6 on our left and red 7 on our right. Closing at 800 miles an hour. They're going to cross 3 times. times in opposing 360-degree 6G turns. This is the carousel. Notice at each of the crosses, the pilots are swapping their smoke colour using the buttons on the control column to control the red, white and blue smoke individually. With a little bit more red, white and blue, they're drawing a snake-like shape of smoke in the sky as they fly the Python. The pilots turn their smoke white there. We're reducing that smoke by injecting regular diesel fuel into the aircraft's 400-degree engine exhaust, and that causes it to vaporise. To get the red and blue, we simply add a dye to the diesel, and we can carry 5 minutes of white smoke and 1 minute each of red and blue in a specially modified container beneath each. You'll see reds 6 and 7 fly in inverted close formation. Reds 8 and 9 roll around them in the corkscrew. See 6 and 7 upside down there, boys and girls. Give them a wave as they fly past at 400 miles an hour. Red 7 there working very hard, flying only. The inside pilots perform tight matched rolls to the outside of the formation in the rollbacks. Reds 8 and 9 roll around 6 and 7, who perform their own rolls and split in the Jippo break. Deployed overseas. Now Synchro's final manoeuvre of the display. This is the opposition barrel roll. Back in Vixen formation, this is the Vixen break. We are the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows. I'd like to thank you very much for watching and for listening. I hope you get to see another of our displays.